Hey guys, you know the drill now, right? I'm just gonna list the names. Deadybird 76, the Grappler. Deadybird 77, Light's Revenge. Deadybird 78, Pig Eyes Return. Deadybird 79, The Wood Age. Deadybird 80, Chaos. Deadybird 81, Deadybird meets his mom. Deadybird 82, Let's Kick Butt. Deadybird 83, Sad Life. Deadybird 84, Make It Up to 20-year-old. Deadybird 85, A Game of Dark Matter. Deadybird 86, The Laws of Gravity. Deadybird 87, Birth. Deadybird 88, Hypno Clock. Deadybird 89, Burke's Defeat. Deadybird 90, Regaining Flying Powers. Deadybird 91, Hot Dog. Wait, give me a minute, guys. Okay, Deadybird 92. Ooh, Super Diaper Hero. Sorry about that break, guys. Deadybird 93. A Bloody Dracula Plan. Deadybird 94. Lawnmower. Deadybird 95. Ring. Deadybird 96. Icy Pipe Bee. Deadybird 97, The Break-In. Deadybird 98, Jew Zombies Bifrost Part 1. Deadybird 99, Jew Zombies Bifrost Part 2. And finally, we have Deadybird 100, Jew Zombies Bifrost Part 3. Season 2 finale, 100th book. Woohoo! And that's all. Thanks guys for watching. See you guys next time on part 6.